my meditation. We're just painting a picture, right? That's for sure. There, that's it. Carefully. This is what really brings pleasure.
Yeah.
The process.
While you're carefully laying out this particular piece, you naturally slow down, you truly ground yourself, and you begin to be fully present in the current moment.
27 minutes with conversation. The only thing we didn't do was have coffee. Take a look, please, at the beauty we've created here. And now we're going to, well, take another look at what we've made. It's all very delicate, very beautiful. Well, if everything is clear to us, then let's move on to working with the bar.